What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I am finally bringing you guys a video that I've been promising for I think 2 months now, my body care routine, and I'm excited to bring it to you today because I have been trying out new products. If you watched Vlogmas, then you know that I was like dabbling in some new things, and I have found my shit. Okay, found my jam. I know exactly what I like, so now I feel comfortable sharing with you guys what I use for body care and what I use for like feminine hygiene and things like that. So if you're interested in stuff like that, then do keep on watching. But before we move on, please if you feel so inclined, please do subscribe to my channel. Please also do like this video and comment anything down below that you may feel you're relating to, or any questions that you may have. So yeah, without any further ado, let's hop straight into this video. Alright, so I do want to just get something out of the way. If you are interested in my skincare, I'm going to be focusing mainly on my body in this video. But if you're interested in like skincare and stuff like that, I've got 2 skincare routines on my channel. I've got a day and a night skincare routine, and the night skincare routine kind of goes through what I do to remove my makeup and stuff like that. So if that's what you're interested in, I will link those 2 videos down below. For oral hygiene, honestly, all I do is brush my teeth. I just use Colgate and I use my toothbrush, and I don't even use an electric toothbrush, anything like that. I do want to start going to the dentist more this year. It is something that I actually have as a resolution. The main reason is because I do have sensitive teeth. I used to have a very hectic sugar addiction. Like I had a very sweet tooth, but now it's like completely gone away, but I still have the results of that. So I'm going to be taking my oral hygiene much more seriously this year, but I'll take you guys through that journey as I learn to do it. And I am interested in getting a water pick. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like a pressure washer, like a water pressure washer for your teeth. But those are really expensive. I know like the cheapest one I saw at Discount was 1.5, but for now, honestly, I just brush my teeth for 2 minutes every day. That's what I do. So yeah, and then I kind of want to go into what I do for my face, but in the shower. I cleanse in the shower, guys. I know a lot of people are going to be like, that's not good, da 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 da. I don't care, it's convenient. Like, it's convenient. I wash my face in the shower. It's just something that I do. The only time I will do something outside of the shower, like for cleansing, is if I'm exfoliating. So the 2 exfoliators that I use, I'm gonna reach for right now. These are the face exfoliators that I use. So I use the Garnier Skin Active, and it's the Pure Active 3-in-1, and this is great for unclogging my pores. But I also really love the Aloe Unique Exfoliating Facial Scrub. This is also amazing for unclogging my pores. So I don't have oily skin or anything like that, so I don't clog up a lot, but when I do, it's hectic, and it's only because of makeup. And then if I'm not exfoliating and I'm just normally washing my face, I will use a cleanser. And my favorite cleanser of all time is the Nivea Daily Essentials Gentle Cleansing Cream Wash. Now I love this thing because I've got dry skin, like I mentioned, and it is just like, oh my god, if you've got hectic eczema and you know that sometimes people with hectic eczema have to wash their face with Aqua's cream, it feels like that, but it's a cleanser, like it's got some soap in it. So it's really nice, it's moisturizing, and oh my god, guys, if there's one thing on earth I recommend, it's this. It's a cream cleanser. I love it. It's not drying. It won't leave your face feeling like it's peeling or it's too dry, and that's why I love this. Literally, when you rinse your face, it's as if you've got moisturizer on, and that's my favorite thing about this, especially because I've got the bad habit of washing my face with hot water. I love boiling hot water. I'm a girl. Literally, my shower water is fire, literal fire. It's lava. So I use that even on my face, and that's really bad, but this kind of helps me out. I don't feel dry as often, but I did run out of this, or it is like on its last little drop. And what I do like to use you know, if I can't find this, is Johnson's. I love their cleansers, but not as much as this one. This one takes a cup. I love the Johnson's Fresh Hydration. It's the water gel cleanser. I just use anyone really. The creamy one from Johnson's isn't as good. It actually burns my face, but I like the gel cleansers that they've got. So this one has rose water and it's for normal skin, fresh hydration. It's not that bad, but yeah, it's good enough. I just got it because I couldn't pick up this. So when I don't have the Nivea, I always cleanse with Johnson's. So yeah, now let's talk about the body. Finally, I'm going to talk about what I do to cleanse my body. Now, I use a scrunchie. It's not called a scrunchie. I know it's not called a scrunchie. I don't know what you call it. I call it a scrunchie. I've literally called it a scrunchie ever since I started using it. And I basically use a scrunchie and I have replaced the body cloth or the washcloth, whatever you call it. I have replaced that because I was getting 0 to no exfoliation on the daily, and I love exfoliation. I love it. I love the way it feels, and I just really like it. I love to exfoliate. So I was like, okay, I can't like exfoliate hectically every single day, so what I will do is try to get a little bit of exfoliation every day. So I'll use something that will give me a light abrasion. So what I did do was make the switch to a scrunchie. So if you feel like you just want to make sure that you're getting rid of as many dead skin cells as you can, you know, sometimes we really don't have time to dry brush every day. So yeah, I like using the scrunchie instead. So let me paint a picture. You're about to get into the shower, you've got your scrunchie, and you're about to start cleaning yourself. So I will honestly stand in the shower water for like 5 minutes, doing absolutely nothing. But once that is over, I will reach for a bar soap. I use a bar soap and a body wash. I don't know, I just like it. It's extra, but I like it. So the bar soaps that I use are from Johnson's, and I have mine in this little carrier, right? So I use the Johnson's ones, and I normally just go for either the berry ones or the almond blossom, anything like cute and girly. If it's pink or purple, I'm reaching for it. I don't like those ones that smell like soap, like the blue ones. The ones that are like antibacterial, they just smell horrible. So I just like the ones that smell like flowers, or they smell like berries or something. So I use this carrier because we don't share bar soaps at home. So my mom has hers in the bathroom, and then mine just stays with me, and I've got this carrier thing. You can get this carrier thing from Clicks or Discount. Literally it's like 7 rand, I think. And yeah, and then I just have that on my scrunchie, put on my scrunchie, lather, and then I'll reach for a body wash. Now I have found the love of my life. Okay, so this brand Bodycology, I love it. I love the brand Bodycology. I got it from Discount, and I have their body wash, the 2-in-1. I've got the one in Sweet Love, and I love this thing. It smells so good. It smells so good, and it's pink. That's my shit. That's my jam right there. So yeah, I really love this. So what I do is I take my scrunchie, put the bar soap on there, and then I take the body wash, put the body wash on top of the soap, and then I reach for my scrub. I scrub and use a body scrub every day. Like I said, I love exfoliation, and it's just become my jam. However, I did run out of my favorite sugar scrub from Bodycology as well. It was in the scent Sweet Love. I will link it down below. But this one is it's just a body scrub. It's a renewing exfoliating body scrub, and it's for very dry skin. However, I don't feel like this is as abrasive. I might just be very violent. But yeah, this one is gentle. It's every day, but I use hectic sugar scrubs every day, so I don't know. So those are the 3 layers that are on my scrunchie: the bar soap, the body wash, and the scrub. And then I will start washing my body. I just like having that layer and that combo on my scrunchie. And then now I am done basically washing and exfoliating at the same time. I rinse and I dry, and now it's time for me to moisturize. So what I use to moisturize my body, I love Nivea. So my favorite lotion of all time is this one from Nivea. I used to use the mixer. It's good, it just doesn't have a scent. I love me some scents, baby. So this one does. It has the cocoa butter scent, and it's basically the cocoa butter body lotion by Nivea. I love it because it is very, very, very moisturizing. It's not as rich as the other one that I've got, which is this one. Now this is my eczema. This is my eczema body lotion, you guys. So when I know that the winter time is coming, or when I'm extremely dry, this is what I reach for. This is the highest on the rich scale of Nivea, and it is very, very moisturizing. It is thick, but it's like navy, makes you navy blue thick. So I prefer this one because it's still very moisturizing. You can still feel it on your skin, but it's not as hectic as this one. But I do like this one, you know. But this one is more everyday. It makes more sense. So yeah. So when I'm done moisturizing with a body lotion, I go in with a tissue oil, and the tissue oil that I use is the bio oil, and I just have a small one because I only use it in one area. I only use it on my butt, my hips, and like my waist area. My hips and my waist are kind of where I have stretch marks from puberty, so I'm trying to treat those. They're nothing too hectic, but you know, they could do with some work. So I just take a couple little drops on my hand, and I will go in that area and like really moisturize. And then kind of the reason, honestly, if I'm being honest, the main reason why I'm like super, like the main reason why I always look like this is this. Oh my god. So it might sound like a lot of layers, right? The moisturizer, then the tissue oil, and then you go on top with a body oil. But I heard that you're supposed to use this when you're wet. I can't wrap my head around that. If you can do that, if you can use Palmer's or any type of body oil while you're wet, please explain. Please explain. But basically what I do is I will moisturize my body like normal, and then I will go over top with this from Palmer's. So this is the Palmer's cocoa butter formula, and it is a body oil, and it's basically to relieve very dry skin. I love this as like a top coat. This for me is like a highlighter for my body. I put it everywhere, my arms, my legs. I love it, especially if I'm going out, especially if I'm wearing something short. Like I love it, especially if I'm going to be in the sun. Oh my gosh, then I'm just glistening, girl. It is beautiful. And Perfume sticks like glue on this stuff. So you know how people have that hack where they put Vaseline then spray their perfume just to make it last longer? This is all over your body already, and it's gonna stay there. It does not dry up. You literally will look like this for hours and hours and hours. You will look like all shiny because of this. So I really love this. It doesn't go away. It is like, it's got a fragrance, but it won't overpower your perfume. So love this stuff. Oh my gosh, like, oh my gosh. So I will use that as like my little setting spray for all of my products, and then I will go on with an actual spray, which is this. Okay, so this is SPF. It is sunblock, and it's SPF 50 from Island Tribe. I use this when I'm going outside. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm horrible with sun protection. Trying to get better, but I'm not that good at it because it's just not something that's been put in my head. I have the type of mom that thinks that sunscreen is not for black people, so I didn't grow up like thinking that I needed it. But you know what, it wouldn't hurt. It's an invisible continuous spray, so literally it's just like a setting spray. You just all over, honestly, and then you're done. I didn't want one of those sunscreens where you had to pump it onto your hand. It was like a lotion. I didn't want that. I already have so many layers on my skin. I didn't want to have to do that. So I'm happy with this. I really would recommend, if you're bad with sunscreen, I do recommend a spray, especially like an invisible one. Like I said, I'm not a fan of looking navy blue, so this I like. And then I actually should have talked about this before, but you know, let's talk about it now. Let's talk about deodorant. I am sorry, if you're a natural, no aluminum, whatever that thing is called, I respect you. If you have done the detox, the 30-day detox of your armpits and smelling like fish for 30 days just so that you can, whatever the explanation is with people that believe in the natural deodorants, shout out to you. You know what? Kudos. Could never be me though. I can't do it. I like aluminum. I like that thing, okay? You know why? It works. It works. Too many people have said to me that those natural roll-ons or whatever are trash, and you smell even if you use them. They only last like 4 hours or something crazy like that. Could never be me. Could never. Okay, so sorry, I will not be making the switch. What I do use though is Garnier Mineral. If you are somebody who uses like normal deodorants, then I recommend this. I use this. I don't know why, honestly, but I love this. I think Shield smells too harsh for me. Like I said, I don't like those medical smells. This smells really good. This one and the one with the pink top. I like the pink top better, but I use this one as well. Really good. Like I actually really like these, and I feel like they're gentle. They're not as drying as Shield. Like Shield literally will like have that white ring, and then it will be like, oh, that's hectic. But I like this one. And then second last, I'm going to talk about shaving. So I'm one of the lucky ones, guys. I don't grow hair on my arms and my legs. Never shaved my arms or my legs in my life, ever. Okay? And honestly, I know a blessing when I see one. Shout out to God. Never had to, but I do grow hair under my armpits and on my kuchacha. Okay, so I'm going to talk about my armpits. What I do is I shave, right? So okay, I used to use that cream from Clicks, but the only thing about that thing is, honestly, you don't realize how long 10 minutes is until you have to wait for that cream to work. And honestly, like, it's 10 minutes, so I want to use my phone, so I'm gonna do one arm at a time, so that's 20 minutes. Honestly, there was a point, like I think 4 months ago, where I was like, ugh, but I don't want to continue using blades. I don't want to continue. I actually want to go back to the cream, but the cream is so much admin, like it's actual admin. But yeah, for the past 4 months, I've been using a blade, just the pink ones, the big ones, in the shower, rinse it off, I'm done. I wish the cream was like that simple, but it's not. I don't want to continue using these because people say that these will darken your armpits. Ugh, don't want to deal with having to lighten my armpits or any of that, so I do want to stop with these, but the convenience is wild. Like the convenience is so good. So yeah. And yeah, for down there, honestly, I just trim. There's no need for a clean shave down there. No need. I promise you. I promise there's no need for a clean shave. I don't, like, if you want to know, now you know. I don't clean shave. I don't like the look of it. I don't like the look of it when it grows back, and I don't like the fact that you could get ingrowns like mad easy, and you can freaking get dark there like easy peasy. Like that I've seen with my own eyes. Like you can get mad dark mad easy, so I'm not interested, and I'll never wax. There's no need. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You can wax. I'm not doing it. I'm not waxing. I'm not fucking waxing ever in my life. I'm not doing it. Like, I don't think you guys understand how much I hate pain. Like, like pain makes me angry. Like, if something hurts me, like if I get pinched, or if like anything, like if I get hurt, I get pissed off. Like it irritates me. I don't like pain. So yeah, I'm not gonna go fetch pain and go wax. Am I mad? No, it's not happening. Sorry. You can do it. I'm not doing it. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is perfume. Literally the top coat of all. I am going to talk about my everyday perfume, and that is the Coach Floral. If you are an OG on my channel, you know now this is something I use every single day, and I even have one in my bag. So yeah, like a fragrance, I feel like you just need one everyday fragrance, and then for other occasions, yeah, like dinners, dates, nights out, you have different perfumes. I'm trying to grow my collection. The perfume collection video is coming very soon, but you just need an everyday one, and the Coach Floral is a very nice everyday one, and it's like nice and sparkling for the day. I really enjoy this perfume, and I recommend it for anyone's first perfume or anybody who's looking for an everyday fragrance. Yeah, I I recommend this, guys. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, tell me what your faves are. Do we share faves? Is there something here that you use? Let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, guys, I am done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.